Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Nissan Titan key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver readily available. This simple tool is essential for safely prying open the fob casing without causing damage. We'll walk through each step, making sure you can easily replace your battery or access the internal components. It's a quick and straightforward process. Now, carefully examine your Nissan Titan key fob to locate the small seam running along its edge. This is where the two halves of the casing meet. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this seam. With a slight, controlled twist, you should feel the two halves begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid scratching the plastic. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get information, and control smart home devices with just your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After gently prying, you can now carefully pull the two halves of the key fob completely apart. Inside, you'll see the small circuit board and the coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe the battery type, usually a CR2032, and its positive and negative orientation. This will be crucial when you're ready to insert a new battery. With the old battery removed, carefully place your new coin cell battery into its slot, making sure the positive side faces the correct direction, usually upwards. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of your Nissan Titan key fob. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Test your fob to ensure it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.